I rise to be part of the discussion of the calling attention moved by my colleague Shri Premanand Sheth regarding Khazan fields having thick mangroves and our left fellow. Speaker Sir, Honorable Minister has given a comprehensive answer. I think the basic problem today, Speaker Sir, is not addressed in this comprehensive answer. The first is he is referring to the 1975, the Tenancy Act, 1975, where the discharge is a joint responsibility of the tenants. That is the act what he is referring to. And then he has given that, basically the answer to that. I don't know how much he has recovered of the initial cost given by 100% by the government, 50% recovery with 6% interest. I don't know how much he has recovered. I don't want to know that. But I am sure that he must have not recovered 1 rupee also. Speaker Sir, we have to look at a holistic position. What he is facing there in his part, we are also facing in our part. We also have rivers, we have salinity which is coming inside. The basic problem, Speaker Sir, is because in the olden days the bunds were maintained by the people who used to grow the field. And when these fields were being grown, they used to have a continuous walk on the fields where the salinity of the water which should not go inside. Even a small crab which used to make a hole, they used to go and plug it manually by themselves. Now over the time, the 75 Act which was done, that time those people were there, Speaker Sir. Today, now because of some people who are not maintaining the bunds, some people who are interested to the fields are also suffering. I think we have to look at a holistic angle of this this joint responsibility of tenants rules 1975. He has done some modification of giving money, that is okay. But Speaker Sir, we have to look at a holistic angle. Number one, why? I'll test the Honorable Minister, is because the bunds are not maintained, that is why saline water goes inside. Speaker Sir, if you give little water to mangroves, they grow within a span of few days and a few months to a level, then CRZ will come and map it and they will say these were not fields, these are mangrove fields. So this is the contention, Speaker Sir, where everybody has a problem. So we have to find a logistic conclusion, because today tenants, if you go to see, are not maintaining the bunds, which everybody knows. Show me one, maybe 1 in 100 will be maintaining these bunds, these sluice gates, which affects, Speaker Sir. So my request to Honorable Minister is please do look into this. Bring the system into the modern outlook of what is happening right now. Because the bunds are towards the rivers, and because somebody who is not maintaining the fields inside get inundated and they get into mangroves. So this cultivation, even if I want to do, I cannot cultivate because somebody has faltered. So there is always a fight, Speaker Sir, that there is a problem, who will maintain it. Tenants associations are not functioning. You can give me details of all tenants associations which are functioning. It is not possible, Speaker Sir. I think holistically we have to look at it. Just a blame game and the answer is not going to happen. We have to look at it to see the problem is solved. Because entire Goa we are having problem like this, Speaker Sir. The sluice gates are not maintained. Whether the tenants are maintaining, WRD department is a big department today. That time it was not there in 1975. It was created subsequently. I think we have to re-look at and give it to them to look after our fields so that people can grow these fields when it requires, Speaker Sir.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.